First of all, each player gets the same number of magnets. A knotted string is placed in the middle of the table, and off you go. The magnets have different shapes, so you can't visually predict which side is the repelling side and which is the attracting side. The goal is to be the first player to get rid of all your magnets. You do this by placing one of your magnetic stones inside the string, one after the other. Then it's the next player's turn, but be careful, there are of course rules to follow here. The magnetic stones must be placed inside the string, and must not touch other stones. Keyword, magnetism. As soon as the magnetic stone that has been placed attracts another one to itself, the player who placed it must take both or more of them. So all those affected. The first player to get rid of all of his stones wins the game. The person with the most stones loses. As you can see, there is a lot of space available here. You could tighten the string to make it more difficult. You are also allowed to play with magnetism. That means you can move stones. Not like that, though. I would have to pick this one up now. But you can move the stone with the other side. Here is a clear example that illustrates the nerve-wracking game principle. If you like this video, please leave a thumb up and feel free to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.